Does your trash can stink up your whole house? That smell hits you the second you walk in. You've probably tried everything, taking out the trash constantly, spraying air freshener, but the odor always comes back. But what if you could destroy the smell at the source for good? We bought every trash deodorizer we could find, powders, pods, sprays, even special trash bags, and put them to the test. We talked to cleaning pros, tested the science, and got real results. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your trash can smell brand new, forever. Stick around for the ultimate guide to eliminating trash odors. First up, the classic Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda. A staple in many homes, and for good reason. You've seen it in fridges, working hard to keep things fresh, but it's also a trash can game changer that many overlook. It's time to unlock its full potential. For just $2, sometimes even less depending on where you shop, it absorbs and neutralizes odors at the molecular level. No masking with artificial scents, just real odor elimination. It's a science-backed solution that's been trusted for generations. Just sprinkle a generous layer in the bottom of your trash can before adding a new bag. Make sure to cover the entire base for maximum effectiveness. It's a proactive strike against stink, setting a trap for bad smells before they even have a chance to start. Think of it as a preventative measure, nipping odors in the bud. We tested it with onion peels, known for their pungent aroma, old fish, a notorious source of unpleasant smells, and garlic bread, which can leave a lingering odor. The difference was night and day. The results were truly remarkable, showcasing the power of this simple solution. The can with baking soda? Virtually no smell, just a hint of clean, fresh air. The one without? Brutal. An overwhelming wave of unpleasantness. If you want a cheap, no-fuss solution that actually works, this is absolutely it. It's a game changer for any household. Arm & Hammer Baking Soda. Simple, effective, incredibly affordable, and our first official recommendation for a fresher smelling home. Grab a box next time you shop. Keep one in the fridge and one for the trash. You won't regret it. Tired of battling persistent, unpleasant odors? Do you find yourself constantly trying to eliminate smells, only for them to return? Try FreshWave Odor-Removing Packs. They offer a simple, effective solution to keep your spaces smelling fresh. These little sachets use natural plant oils, harnessing the power of nature to combat unwanted smells. They don't just cover up odors, they work to neutralize them at the source, providing a truly fresh environment. It's odor elimination, not just masking. Toss one in your trash can for immediate and continuous odor control. Or for even more discreet placement, stick it to the lid, keeping it out of sight and out of mind. Each pack provides long-lasting freshness, working effectively for up to 60 days. That's 2 whole months of odor-free bliss. We put it to the test, starting with a bathroom can, a notorious breeding ground for unpleasant smells. And after a week of use, the bad smells were completely gone, replaced by a subtle freshness. What remained was just a faint, clean scent, a testament to the pack's odor-neutralizing capabilities. No harsh chemicals, no artificial fragrances, no fake perfumes, just pure natural ingredients. It's not a cover-up, it's just real odor elimination, leaving your space truly refreshed. If you're searching for a natural, low-maintenance solution to your odor problems, look no further. This is it. The FreshWave Odor-Removing Pack is your answer to a fresher, cleaner home. It's true, it's a bit pricier than baking soda, the old standby for odor absorption. But the convenience and effectiveness of these packs are definitely worth it, saving you time and effort. Perfect for busy people who don't have time to constantly monitor and refresh their odor control methods, or anyone who tends to forget to change out their deodorizers regularly. Set it and forget it. Simply set it, forget it, and let FreshWave do its magic. And enjoy a stink-free can without any extra effort on your part. FreshWave. Modern odor control at its finest, bringing a breath of fresh air to your home. Are you tired of battling persistent, unpleasant odors in your home? Do you wish there was a simple, natural solution to keep your spaces smelling fresh and clean? Then meet the Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag, filled with activated bamboo charcoal. This isn't just any charcoal, it's been specially treated to maximize its odor-absorbing capabilities. Think of it as a silent, hard-working guardian against unwanted smells. It's a black hole for bad smells, sucking them in and neutralizing them before they have a chance to stink up your home. The secret? It's all in the unique structure of the activated bamboo charcoal. Millions of microscopic pores acting like tiny sponges trap odor molecules, pulling them from the air and locking them away. But it doesn't stop there. These pores also capture allergens, those pesky particles that can trigger sensitivities, and even excess moisture, helping to prevent mold and mildew growth. The result? No scent, no artificial fragrances masking the problem, just pure, neutral air that's a breath of fresh air, literally. Place it in your trash can, the source of many household odors, and it works continuously for up to 2 years, providing long-lasting odor control without any effort on your part. When it needs a recharge, and you'll know because its effectiveness will start to diminish, just set it in the sun for a few hours. The sunlight helps to release the trapped molecules, refreshing the charcoal and preparing it to absorb more odors. We tested it in a diaper pail, one of the most challenging odor environments imaginable, and the stink disappeared in a day. It was truly remarkable. No perfume, no harsh chemicals that can irritate sensitive noses, just clean air, naturally purified. It's a long-term sustainable solution, reducing your reliance on disposable air fresheners and contributing to a healthier planet. That means no refills to buy, no aerosol cans to discard, no waste. If you're sensitive to fragrance or simply prefer a scent-free environment, or want a set-and-forget fix for those persistent odors, something you don't have to constantly monitor or replace, this is your holy grail. It's the answer to your odor woes. It's an upfront investment, yes, but the value is unbeatable when you consider the long-term odor control and the money you'll save on disposable air fresheners. The Moso bag is a beast for odor elimination, a true champion in the fight against bad smells. Try it if you want your trash can and your home to smell like nothing at all. In the best possible way. Love gadgets? Check out the simplehuman Odorsorb pod. Stick the holder inside your trash can lid, pop in the pod, and you're done. The pod uses plant-based oils to neutralize odors right at the source, not just cover them up. It only releases scent when you open the lid, so it lasts up to 45 days. We tested it in a busy kitchen can. After weeks, the can still smelled neutral, sleek, modern, and super easy to install. It's a premium upgrade for any trash can. If you want a high-tech, mess-free solution, this is it. Turn your trash can into an odor-fighting machine. Don't forget to clean the can itself. Aunt Fannie's all-purpose cleaner uses vinegar and essential oils to break down grime and kill odor-causing bacteria. No harsh chemicals, just natural cleaning power. Spray, wipe, and your can is fresh and safe for pets and kids. We tackled a nasty, sticky can. Aunt Fannie's made it spotless and left a pleasant scent. Use it for daily maintenance or deep cleanse. Cleaning the can is step 1. Deodorizing is step 2. Combine this with any deodorizer for total odor domination. Don't just mask smells, eliminate the source. A clean can is the foundation of a fresh home. Need an instant fix? Home-Pourri trash can. Odor Eliminator is your emergency spray. It traps and neutralizes odors on contact, leaving a fresh matcha and lime scent. Just spritz directly onto the trash. Smell gone, instantly. We tested it on raw onions. The stink vanished in seconds. Each bottle lasts up to 400 uses, so it's a great value. Perfect for quick refreshes or after tossing something extra stinky. It's not just a cover-up, it's a scientific odor force field. Keep it under your sink for emergencies. If you want your trash to smell upscale, this is your go-to. Fast, effective, and surprisingly luxurious. Stop stink in its tracks. For serious cleaning, OdoBan Odor Eliminator and Disinfectant is the pro's choice. It kills 99.99% of germs and wipes out odors at the source. One bottle makes up to 32 gallons of cleaner, super economical. Use it for monthly deep clean scrub, let sit, rinse, and your can is sanitized and odor-free. Leaves a fresh eucalyptus scent and peace of mind. Perfect for homes with pets, kids, or lots of messy trash. Stops odors before they start by killing bacteria. Add this to your cleaning arsenal for a truly fresh, hygienic can. This is how the pros do it. Hate powder mess? Try the Munchkin Arm and Hammer Puck. It's a solid disc of baking soda with a hint of lavender. No spills, no cleanup. Stick it in your trash can or compost bin. It lasts up to 90 days. Subtle scent, powerful odor absorption. We used it in a compost bin. Smells disappeared fast. Great for small cans, bathrooms, or diaper pails. Simple, affordable, and tidy. The easiest way to keep odors under control. Want odor control built in? Hefty Ultra Strong Citrus. Twist, trash bags have Arm & Hammer deodorizer right in the plastic. Every new bag means a fresh start and continuous odor protection. The bags are tough. No rips, no leaks, and a clean citrus scent every time you open the can. No need for extra deodorizers, the bag does the work. We loaded them up. No breaks, no stink. If you want a simple, all-in-one solution, just switch your bags. Efficient, effective, and easy. Upgrade your trash routine instantly. For fossilized, caked-on messes, Mr. Clean Summer Citrus Multi-Surface Cleaner is your secret weapon. Pour it on, let it sit, and even the nastiest sludge wipes away with minimal effort. We tackled a can with dried-on grime. Mr. Clean made it look brand new. The citrus scent replaces any lingering odor with a fresh, clean aroma. Use it for deep cleans every few months to prevent permanent stink. A clean can is the foundation of odor control. Don't skip this step. Reset your trash can to 0. Mr. Clean makes the job easy and satisfying. Win the war on trash gunk. Need a 3-second fix? Febreze Air Heavy Duty Spray is your panic button. Its odor clear technology traps and neutralizes odor molecules, not just covers them up. Just spray into the can or the air, smell gone instantly. We tested it after a garlic-heavy dinner. 2 sprays and the kitchen was fresh. Perfect for emergencies or quick refreshes between bag changes. Keep a can under the sink for instant odor relief. Febreze is the rapid response team for your anti-stink arsenal. Use it alongside long-term solutions for total coverage. Must have for any home. The best way to fight odors? Prevent them. Clean your can monthly with a disinfectant and let it dry in the sun. Line the bottom with paper towels or newspaper to catch leaks. Double bag extra stinky items like meat packaging or fish scraps. Take out the trash more often. Don't wait for it to overflow. In hot weather, empty kitchen trash daily, other cans weekly. These habits stop odors before they start. Combine them with the right products for a fresh-smelling home. Prevention is the ultimate hack. Stay ahead of the stink. That's it. From baking soda to high-tech pods, you're now a trash odor expert. Try these solutions and let us know your favorites in the comments. Share your tips and help others win the war on stink. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more home hacks. More experiments and guides are coming soon. Thanks for